Welcome to Pulkit Health and Fitness, where we embrace the journey towards a healthier and more vibrant you. Today, we're diving into the world of alternative exercise methods, a realm where fitness meets creativity and where the conventional gym routine takes a back seat. Imagine transforming your workout into a dance, with each movement syncing to the rhythm of your favorite tunes. Picture yourself mastering the art of balance with slacklining, or harnessing the power of your breath in a challenging yoga flow. These aren't just exercises, they're experiences that invigorate your body and soul. Why stick to the treadmill when you can climb mountains? Why lift weights when you can lift your spirit with aerial silks? The possibilities are endless, and they're all here for you to explore. With alternative exercise methods, you're not just working out, you're crafting a lifestyle that's as unique as you are. So, if you're ready to break free from the mundane and inject some excitement into your fitness routine, you're in the right place. Together, we'll explore these unconventional paths to wellness, and I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Don't forget, if this journey excites you as much as it does me, hit that like button and subscribe for more content that will transform the way you think about fitness. Let's embark on this adventure together because your health is your greatest wealth. Until next time, stay fit and stay inspired.